Kia ora, good morning. It is Wednesday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute or so. Emphasis on the also. So not a lot going on the global data front overnight, but that void was filled by US trade talk. Two facets to that talk. The US are threatening up to 100% tariffs on French wine and cheese and an assortment of other quintessential French exports. That's in response to a proposed digital tax that would impact companies like Google and Amazon, Facebook, and it's not a deliberate America tax by the French, it's just that the majority of tech behemoths happen to be American. More potential tariffs, but a change of potential tariff target away from the usual, the classic, China. But if you are a fan of the classic, don't fret, that is not going away anytime soon because President Trump suggested overnight that a trade deal, presumably the Phase 1 mini deal with China, may not now occur until after the 2020 election. And it'll only happen when he is ready. The president is ready. Maybe it's political strategy. Maybe the two sides are further apart than recent headlines would have us believe. Look, whatever the reason, US-China trade, it looks set to continue to be a buzzword for financial markets for the next forever. Certainly feels that way. Anyway, and that ties in nicely to comments from the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA, yesterday afternoon. They held their cash rate steady at 0.75% and suggested that rates would be low for the foreseeable future and maybe go lower depending upon how domestic and global events play out. And the ongoing US-China saga for Australia, that's proven to be impactful on both fronts, domestic and global. So reactions to all of this trade stuff. The major Northern Hemisphere equity indices, they are off the pace by 1% or so, and that's on top of the previous session's losses, so it's not really been a good start to December for stock markets. Currency markets, less of a reaction there. Most took it all in stride. The greenback dipped a little. That helped the Kiwi scratch a new multi-month high of 65.33 US cents. We are a little bit off that now. A 0.5% fall in global dairy prices at the auction overnight. Took a little bit of the shine off the Kiwi, but still holding above 65 cents. I think that's probably enough for this morning. We'll have some little explainer articles if you care to learn more about French taxes in first hand. Otherwise, have a wonderful Wednesday. Ka kite.